Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical fishing weights, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from fishing weights, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best fishing weights dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Booms Fishing CRR Carolina Ready Rigs for Fishing Weights Bullet Weights Carolina Keeper. Introducing Booms Fishing CRR Carolina Ready Rigs, the ultimate solution for hassle-free bottom fishing. Specifically designed for bass fishing in cooler waters, these pre-rigged Carolina rigs come fully equipped with everything you need to lure in the big ones. Crafted with precision using high-quality brass, plastic, and copper materials, these rigs are not only sensitive but also incredibly resistant to getting stuck. Each rig includes a 12-Oz brass bullet sinker, 3 red plastic beads, a brass amplifier, and a brass barrel swivel, ensuring optimal performance with every cast. The strategically placed beads serve a dual purpose, not only stopping the wire but also emitting a subtle knocking sound that can attract fish when in contact with the sinker. With a pack of 5 unpainted, copper alloy rigs, you'll be well equipped for your next angling adventure. Upgrade your fishing game with Booms Fishing CRR Carolina Ready Rigs and experience the difference firsthand. Number 2. Reaction Tackle Lead Drop Shot Fishing Weights. Introducing Reaction Tackle Lead Drop Shot Fishing Weights, the ultimate solution for anglers seeking efficiency and versatility on the water. Crafted with precision using high-quality lead material, these weights boast an advanced design featuring a smart V-shaped eyelet. This innovative design allows for easy weight changes without the hassle of retying or re-rigging, perfect for anglers who value convenience and time-saving solutions. Available in a 15-pack with 34 Oz weights, Reaction Tackle offers a range of choices to suit every angler's needs. Say goodbye to twisted lines thanks to the quality swivel head on each weight, engineered to provide greater movement and reduce line tangling. Designed for both saltwater and freshwater use, these drop shot weights feature a smooth lead construction, ensuring a premium feel and smoother entry into the water. Plus, their streamlined design minimizes snags, allowing for greater freedom in choosing fishing spots. Upgrade your angling experience with Reaction Tackle Lead Drop Shot Fishing Weights and enjoy hassle-free fishing like. Number 3. AMYSPORTS Egg Lead Fishing Weights Kit Drop Base. Introducing the AMYSPORTS Egg Lead Fishing Weights Kit Drop Base, designed to enhance your angling experience with versatility and reliability. Crafted by AMYSPORTS, this kit includes 20 pieces of egg-shaped fishing weights in size 110 Oz, each weighing 3 grams. These weights are not only versatile but also highly functional. They can be easily incorporated into various fishing setups, adding stability to your line in windy conditions while ensuring quick sinking and easy retrieval. The smooth inner surface, featuring a soft plastic core, protects your fishing line from cuts and twists, ensuring a seamless fishing experience. Constructed from durable and corrosion-resistant lead material, these weights are suitable for both freshwater and saltwater fishing environments. With sizes ranging from 3 grams to 200 grams, this kit caters to a wide range of fishing needs, making it ideal for shore, bank, offshore, and kayak fishing. Upgrade your fishing gear with AMYSPORTS Egg Lead Fishing Weights Kit Drop Base and enjoy improved casting accuracy and successful fishing outings. Number 4. AMYSPORTS Drop Shot Fishing Weights Kit Lead Freshwater Fishing. Introducing the AMYSPORTS Drop Shot Fishing Weights Kit, designed to elevate your freshwater fishing experience with precision and reliability. Crafted by AMYSPORTS, this kit includes 15 pieces of size 12 Oz. Fishing weights, each weighing 5 ounces. These weights are engineered for optimal performance in various fishing scenarios. Their raindrop teardrop streamlined shape ensures rapid sinking with minimal resistance, allowing you to target deeper waters and maintain bait presentation even in heavy currents. Whether you're casting or drop shot fishing, these weights deliver exceptional results. Their corrosion-resistant lead construction and smooth surface guarantee durability and protect your line from damage. With a range of sizes available from 10 grams to 200 grams, these versatile sinkers cater to diverse fishing needs, from shore bank fishing to offshore kayak adventures. Enhance your angling arsenal with AMYSPORTS Drop Shot Fishing Weights Kit and experience improved casting distance, bait presentation, and fishing success. Number 5. Alwonder Pyramid Sinkers Fishing Weights Fishing Sinkers. Introducing Alwonder Pyramid Sinkers Fishing Weights, crafted for anglers seeking reliability and performance in their fishing tackle. Made from premium lead, these sinkers boost durability, corrosion resistance, and rapid sinking capabilities, making them suitable for both saltwater and freshwater fishing environments. The distinctive pyramid design ensures exceptional functionality, allowing for long cast and optimal penetration into soft surfaces like sand or mud. Its flat sides prevent rolling and fast currents, maintaining bait stability for effective fishing, even in rough water conditions. Equipped with a polished brass ring, these sinkers minimize the risk of line wear or breakage, ensuring a smooth fishing experience. With wide-ranging applications, from inshore and surf fishing to pier and offshore rigs, these weights are versatile and effective for targeting various fish species. Available in multiple sizes ranging from 1 Oz to 32 Oz, Alwonder Pyramid Sinkers cater to diverse fishing conditions and preferences, providing anglers with the flexibility to choose the perfect weight for every situation. Upgrade your fishing gear with Alwonder Pyramid Sinkers and elevate your angling success. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.